Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix missing taskbar icon on Windows 11. Let's get started. First of all, you need to go ahead and simply restart Windows Explorer, as taskbar icon can disappear if Windows Explorer isn't functioning well. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open the taskbar. Now go to Processes tab and then scroll down to Windows Processes and then locate Windows Explorer. Tap onto it. And just like that, click on Restart Tasks at the very top right corner. Give it a few seconds and check if the taskbar icon appears. If the issue still persists, you need to clear and rebuild the icon cache. So now, you need to go and simply press Windows plus S and then search for CMD and make sure you tap on Run as Administrator. Then click Yes if prompted. Once the command prompt opens up, you need to go ahead and simply type in this command right over here, then tap on enter. Just like that, type in dir icon cache star and then press enter again. After that, simply type in del icon cache star. Then press on enter. After completing this step, you need to go ahead and simply restart your computer. Once your PC restart, the icon cache will rebuild automatically and your taskbar icon should now be restored. That's it for this video, guys. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.